Good day, meron tayong Toyota Hiace Super Grandia Elite. Nag-install tayo ng Optimus brand Android head unit. Ito yung front camera. Ito yung side. Dito tayo sa loob. Ito yung Optimus brand Android head unit na premium model. Ayan. 8256 Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, 9 inches, 2K screen resolution, and with 360 camera. 8-channel DSP output or speaker output. 360 camera auto trigger, left signal, right signal, hazard, and reverse. Ayan. Accurate din yung parking guidelines na yan. Okay. 360 camera ng model na to, all sides of camera nagre-record din. And then, split screen function, ito na yung pinaka home screen niya, nagdo-dual screen. So, pwedeng maps, YouTube, and then, applications, meron tong Waze, Netflix, Spotify, Google Assistant, Maps, YouTube, and Google Play. Pwede pang magad ng iba't ibang application. So, kung gusto mong magad ng application, pwede dahil 8256 to na Qualcomm. So, sa DSP settings niya naman, sa pinaka main, ito yung makikita mo. Merong 4, 5.1, 7.1, and 8 channel. Crossover, time alignment, polarity, then gain or volume per channel, then equalizer, enhance, and then preset save. So meron din tong offline and online voice command under Google Assistant yung online, then yung offline is Topal Voice. And then Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, meron siya wireless connection. So try natin mag-open ng isang application, at least isang application para matry natin yung function ng mga application niya. So hindi siya connected sa Wi-Fi. Dual Wi-Fi na siya, kaya niya mag-read ng 4G and 5G. And then SIM card slot, meron din pala to. May SIM slot siya, applicable siya sa any network. So try natin mag-open ng YouTube. So, wala lang email na nakalagin, pero ayan yung YouTube, Maps, Waze, volume up. So offline voice command nag-work. Volume up, volume down. So ayan, nagbabago yung number. Steering wheel control, working lahat. Speak, mode. Ayan, so working lahat. Next, previews. So working lahat. Ito yung Optimus brand na premium model, 8256, 9 inches, 2K screen resolution, and Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay wireless, dual Wi-Fi, 4G ready, 360 camera ready, and steering wheel control compatible. So yun lang, thank you.